Good morning, everyone. This is 24th of July, and this is Wednesday today. Welcome back to another video in gold. My name is Richard, and we will be doing top to down analysis as usual. And we will start with the daily time frame. I will unhide everything and show you what is happening in the gold. And if you remember in my earlier video, I've mentioned about this support, uh, which is playing really nice for now. And you can see it has moved up around 300 pips from this particular point, from this particular support area. This was the earlier resistance. Now it has turned into the support, and now it has already moved up to 300 pips. When everyone was advised to sell, we were sure about this, that we are going to see a reversal from here, and that's what exactly happened. And I got multiple confluences to be sure on my bias, and you can see this yesterday closed with a big nice bullish candle, and we can expect some more move to the upside. And fundamentals, technicals, everything was supporting this 2385 buys, and we had that, and we just recently closed it for 300 pips of gain. Okay, so this was the daily time frame, and now I'm going to keep my charts, and you can see I have mentioned about this Blake resistance area, which got very well respected. You can see this was earlier resistance, this is the first touch, this is the second touch, got a move to the upside, and now back tested to this Blake so resistance, which turned support now, and from here itself it moving to the upside exactly like this. Okay, this was already mentioned in yesterday's video as well. And also this blue uptrend channel, if you can see this blue uptrend channel, this is the blue uptrend channel, this is the first touch, this is the second touch, this is the first touch, this is the second touch, and now it's moving to the upside. And gold is still, despite all this bearish move, you can see gold is still into this uptrend channel. This blue uptrend channel is still intact, and we need a break below this blue uptrend channel to the downside, and finally from this zone to the downside to turn bearish, which looks unlikely for now. Okay, so this zone 2393, 2385 needs to get a break with impulsive bearish candle for it to get into this bearish zone. As long as we are inside this blue uptrend channel and above this black support, I see there is high chances that we may see possibly a new high 2500 psychological level, which I have already marked in coming days, or this level 2482, 2484, and it might also go to this level, make a 50% correction, and then reverse from here. Okay, so all in all, this 2024 year is going to be the year of gold. Buy the deep is still on. This is what we have been seeing from a long time. Okay, and also we have a very important data like PMI and service, sorry, manufacturing and service PMI data today, which will be very important, which will be a kicker into the market. Like if we saw decline manufacturing and service activity, the rate cut hopes will trigger, and then we will see another move to the upside. Okay, if the data comes out negative for USD and PMI and manufacturing and service PMI got bad numbers, then we can see some more move to the upside, possibly to 2445, 2440. And I still see there is no reason for me to short here as long as we are inside this blue uptrend channel. Okay, we need a break below this Blake support first, and this blue uptrend channel for it to go to the downside. Okay, so this is what I see in 1 hourly and 4 hourly chart. Let me switch it into the smaller time frames and start with the 1 hourly time frame. If you remember, we marked this support yesterday, that this is going to be our key support area, this is going to be our resistance area, and that's where exactly it traded. And I mentioned this thing as well, that we might see it ranging between these two levels, and this is what happened. And finally in the Asian session today, it got a break to the upside from here. And now I think this 2434 and 2442 level, this level looks inevitable for me. It may easily come here, and then from here it will be a data dependent move. If PMI numbers are good, then we can see a reversal. If PMI numbers are bad, then we can see a move to the upside. Okay, so this is what I see. This is going to be our support and resistance area. This is going to be our resistance at 2440, 2433, 2442, somewhere around 2438, 40. This is going to be our zone of resistance, and 2410 will be our support area. And let me show you some drawings as well. Let me switch it into this 15 minutes time frame or 30 minutes time frame. We have this rising channel on the 30-minute time frame. You can see its effectiveness, it's really intact. This is the first touch, this is the second touch, this is the third touch, this is the first touch, this is the second touch. We might see possibly a pullback around here 2410 level, then continue moving to the upside, and finally 2442 40 level might get tested, and then we can see another move to the downside. So in the 15 minutes time frame, in the 4 hour time frame, in the daily time frame, it all looks bullish. So there is no point to sell gold here, there is no point to plan any sell trade here. I see that we have some move to the upside. Okay, and yesterday on my Twitter post I have also mentioned about this blue downtrend channel, which got respected very well, and then I posted about this. This is the first touch, this is the second touch, this is the third touch, and this is where I posted about it, that we might get a breakout from here, and the level was 2400, and that's what exactly happened. It moved up from here, back tested to this level, and now it's moving to the upside after breaking out this resistance. And I think this is going to be our zone, this is going to be our minimum target. We just close a buy from here 2385 to this area, because we know, like, we made around 300 pips in that particular trade, and we can buy again on that retracement. That's not an issue. Okay, so this is going to be our resistance support area for this day, for today, and this is going to be the resistance. And I think 2435 2440 is inevitable today, and we will see a new high. Okay, and talking about all the data, if I'm refining into this key level form, this is what I see. And okay, we are going to see, this is going to be our support area. If you're planning a trade, 24 or 10 will be our pullback zone, 2404 will be our deeper pullback buy, and 2430 38 will be our targets for the day, or we might say a resistance for the day. This is going to be the range for today. I'm expecting gold to trade within this range for today. This is how it can trade, and that's it. Okay, and that's what I see in gold. So these are going to be our important zone. And also, if by any chance, if we are getting a break, if you are someone who wants to sell, then we will sell only below 2404. Okay, this is only where we can sell. Okay, as long as we are above this 24 or 10, 24 or 5, I see some more move to the upside, and the target for bulls would be 2430 38 and 40. Okay, I hope it makes sense for you guys, and I'm able to clear about what's going on in the market, in particularly gold. We are doing analysis right from daily time frame to 15 minutes time frame, to make you aware with everything and every possibilities of gold movement in the market. Okay, thank you so much. And I'm looking at the comments, and I'm looking at the analytics. Most of the people who are watching the videos not even bother to put a like. Don't do that. I request you to please, if you really like my work and if you like the analysis, please make sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel. That's a request. Thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day.